Okay, let's open our eyeshadow palettes and blush palettes. You guys, they're here. Okay. It's not like I don't know what the hell they look like, because I do know what they look like. But you guys, my babies are here. That means I get to ship out pre-orders. Hold on, y'all. Okay, can I slide this mother out? Jeez. Look! Y'all palettes. You guys, your palettes are here. I'm just making sure they're all good. They, oh my god. I'm about to cry. They printed on the wrong side. It's supposed to be on this side. Let me check these. Okay, so 10 out of 15 eyeshadow palettes are good. And then all the blush palettes are good. So I'm going to contact my vendor right now because, yeah, I'm pissed off. Good thing is I'm still able to ship out the pre-orders. Thank God that all of them were not damaged because I was going to be highly upset if they were all effed up. Like, I'm not even going to lie. Count your days. Count your days, kitty. Comforters.